Hey, my beauties, it is Cece, your frugal goddess. I'm sorry, I'm trying to adjust this. I'm coming to you today with my BoxyCharm review. Yes, y'all, I absolutely love BoxyCharm. And I'm here to tell you, this box looks like it's pregnant, for real, for real. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I had my day planned. I was going to get cute. I was going to come on here. I was going to put some makeup on and do this review. But y'all, that ain't what's happening. So, first and foremost, happy Valentine's Day. Yes, y'all, what are y'all plans for the day? I'm going to tell you the truth. I am getting ready to make this keto casserole for me and the family because they eat my stuff anyway. So I am going to make a keto, like a chicken enchilada type casserole. And I'm just finna chillax, y'all. If you follow me on Facebook, you know that my daughter's school was it was a shooting, a real life shooting at my daughter's school. And y'all, that took a lot out of me. And then I got some news about my job today. So, I ain't got my lipstick on no more, y'all. But anyway, so yeah, that took a lot out of me. And so, yeah, I've got some decisions to make and some stuff going on. So, yeah, basically, y'all, I just want to chillax. I don't want to, I'm not trying to go out. I'm not trying to do nothing. I just basically, and hubby got to go to another job later on tonight. I might ride with him to do that, just to spend some QT time with him. But other than that, yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm just coming on here. I'm going to share this wonderful BoxyCharm because this joker look like it is pregnant, y'all. Let me find something to open it with. And other than that, yeah, I am chillaxing. That is it. I am just chillaxing. Okay, so, I didn't cut it all the way. Let's see what BoxyCharm has to offer. As you guys, I don't know if you know this, but I don't open my BoxyCharm. I don't open my box till I actually come on camera. So the things I get, we are surprised together. So let's see. This box is loaded, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. First thing I'm pulling out, let's take the glasses off so I can read and I ain't got to be looking at them. Y'all, I'm so excited. No pore blim primer. No pore blim, like problem, whatever, primer. So this is a smooth and pore covering top secret perfect makeup. This, and it is a completely full size container. So this is the second primer I have that will work on my pores because as you can see, my face is kind of dry. I didn't do anything, but yeah. So anyway, we got that. This is a magnetic luminous eye color. It is in copper foil. I know this is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to swatch this because I just know this is gorgeous. Like, I know it's stunning. And look at that. Can y'all see that? That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. I can't wait to try this. So I'm going to take that out. I'm putting this up top because that is going to be tried. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Y'all, I love Too Faced mascara. This right here, I'm not going to put it on. I got my lashes on. But I am telling you, within the next 2 weeks, I am getting the lash extensions. My nail tech does them. And so I'm going to go ahead on and let her hook me up. The price is phenomenal. It's not as good as this other place that does them. But I'm going to go ahead on and deal with her. Ooh, they know what I need. Ooh, they know what I need. Yes, so this is Sol de Janeiro. Here, can y'all go ahead? Because I'm assassinating this. I think it's like what is it? Rio de Janeiro. I think it's like Sol de Janeiro. But anyway, it's an instant lush hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. So we're going to put some of these on these old dry hands. Y'all look at my hands. Okay, you see how they looking. They good and dry. I'm looking for the, okay, here we go. Yes, I need some moisture in my life, y'all. I just did a foot peel. And I try to do a foot peel at least once every 2 or 3 months. Because, y'all, I don't have the prettiest feet out there. And so I really try to peel all that extra excess off of my feet. Just because, oh my goodness, y'all, this smells absolutely wonderful. Okay? It smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Y'all, I got this like 2 days ago. And I was determined to open it on Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. This scent. I gotta go see what else I can get in this scent. I absolutely love this scent, y'all. I'm here to tell you, this scent is the bomb.com. So, yes. Oh my goodness, I love. Oh, I don't know what this scent reminds me of, but I absolutely love the scent. I had to make sure I was still recording, y'all. I got so much stuff on here. I did a rant video, but I don't even think I'm going to release it. So, you saw the before of my hands, and this is what they're looking like now. They feel much softer. Like, really, they really feel much softer. The scent is absolutely to die for. And they just feel nice and soft. Last but not least, you guys, this is so pretty. This is a bronzer. Okay. Okay. So this is a bronzer, but y'all, I think I could use this as like, I almost want to say a foundation. Okay, we're going to see though. No, but I can definitely use it as a highlight. Like it's too bold for a bronzer. But if you are a shade, I mean, it's too bold for a foundation. But if you like a shade lighter than me, this is a perfect highlight for my complexion. And y'all know what? Usually I don't find the stuff that is just like, this is actually a perfect highlight. Like if you looking at me, I'm like, whoosh. But just think about it as a highlighter. Like this will be a perfect highlighter for me. And usually I don't find those colors because of my complexion. But yeah, I'm liking this as a highlight. Not as is, as a foundation, but as a highlight. And this is by Pretty Vulgar. And look at the case. And it's bronze mannequin. And I actually look like a mannequin with using it as a foundation. But I love the case. And again, now I don't want to open, y'all. Okay, here we go. Again, here is the color. And so I'm assuming because I could see how it highlighted on my face that it has luminators in it. You can't necessarily see them when you look in the container. Woo, caught them. But it does have luminators in it. Okay, let's get on to the card. The card says the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is worth $24. The bronzer, the Pretty Vulgar bronzer is worth $32. The No Problem primer is $18. This right here, the Sol de Janeiro is worth $20. The Luminous eyeshadow magnetic eye color is worth $24. So basically we got over $100. It looks like, let me see. Yeah, we got about $120 or $30 worth of stuff for, what do I pay for BoxyCharm? I can't remember, y'all. I cannot remember. But it's not $30 a month, I don't think. I think it's like $24 a month. Something like that. Like, and these are full-size products. That's the one thing I do absolutely love about BoxyCharm is that they are full-size products. You're not getting a bunch of samples. Because sometimes you like stuff, and like for me, usually I'm the only one using my makeup. So I don't really trip on not expiration dates, but you know, like how they say you only supposed to use it for 3 months or something like that. Like, I'm the only one using it. So if I keep it clean and I sterilize it, I feel like I should be able to use it until it's gone. So basically, I prefer full-size products rather than samples, because when you're getting a sample, that's exactly what it is. It's a sample. Let me give y'all a glimpse of my outfit. It is like super duper cute. I hope y'all can see it. It is a top. And I'm going to have to back all the way out back here. And the matching pants. Like, it is so cute. The back of the pants are black, and the top, this part, it's a crop jacket. But this part, these pants are like super duper cute. They're like jogging pants. I mean, the whole outfit is really cute. It is available at Gwen's Butterfly Boutique. I will, what do you call it? I will link the, I will put the link for this outfit down below. I will put my link for BoxyCharm down below. Please go check it out. If you are a person that likes makeup and loves a surprise every other month and wants full-size products, go check out BoxyCharm, like literally. And then I think if you go under my link, you get an extra full-size, 1 or 2 extra full-size items. I don't remember which one, but I do know for a fact you get at least one extra full-size item. And so, yeah, with that, you guys, I want you to have a very, very happy Valentine's Day. And ladies, don't get caught up in the hype. Realize and remember, Valentine's Day is every day. For those of you that are in a relationship, have a significant other, are married, or what have you, Valentine's Day is every day. So do not get caught up in the hype of this one day a year thing. You know what I'm saying? Know that your man loves you every day. When he shows you every day he loves you, when he gets up and goes to work every day, you know, life has struggles, life has ups and downs, and it is through making it through the ups and downs. It is not for this one day that we don't even know where the heck it came from, for real, for real. It don't. The Lord ain't made this. He made this day as far as creating the day, but He ain't got nothing to do with Valentine's Day, y'all. Don't get caught up in the hype. And you know what I'm saying? Go cook your man a nice dinner. If you have the time, because I do have sympathy for the working wives and mothers now. But if you have time, go cook your man a nice meal. Tell him how much you love him. Tell him how much you appreciate him getting up, going to work. You know what I'm saying? Because there's some female out there that is doing the most for her man. And hey, if that's what floats your boat, girl, do you. But it's some female out there whose man don't get up and go nowhere, and she is doing the most for him. So for those of you who got a husband to go to work, a man to go to work, a significant other, hey, a woman that goes to work, whatever floats your boat, remember, as long as you got that person that's helping you to pay them bills, that's helping you to meet ends meet every week, every month, however your bills flow, that's Valentine's Day, okay? So with that, I want y'all to have a beautiful, blessed day. I want you to remember to be your own kind of beautiful and tell somebody you love them. Don't wait till Valentine's Day, because tomorrow is not promised us. I love you. Later.